guys, it's Hunsaker. So I wanted to give you another quick demonstration of how GeoGebra works, or GeoGebra. Still don't know how to say it. So first of all, this little pointer tool is like the mouse, and it moves things around. So you can click and drag the chart however you want to. You can also like zoom in and out by scrolling. A lot of times with zooming in and out though, I lose my grid lines, and so I don't like to do that a whole lot. But what you're going to do is you're going to plot the points and then create a polygon. So the two tools that you're going to need are this one. This is the point tool, and then this one will create the polygon. So I'm going to click on the point tool, and I can do all kinds of different things, but we just need the one at the top, the basic one. So I'm going to create a point, and I'm just going to go plot these points, A, B, C, and D. So I need a point at -1, 6, -5, 3, and look, -5 is off my chart. But if I try to click and drag, I'm putting a point, see, and I don't want to do that. So if I mess up, I can always click this back arrow right here, okay, and it will get rid of that. I want to move my screen around, so I'm just going to click back up on my arrow and click and drag, okay? So I need the point again, -5, 3. So let's try that again. -5, 3, there's point B. -4, -2, oh, I'm going to need to drag again. So I'm going to move, click and drag a little bit. So -4, -2, and then -1, 1. So once I get all of the points plotted, I'm now going to create a polygon, and I'm going to use this tool on the toolbar to do that, okay? So when I click on it, I'm going to click the very first one. It says regular polygon. So I'm going to click it. And then I'm going to click on A, B, C, D, and then I have to close the polygon by clicking back up there at A. So I'm going to click on there, and there it is, okay? So now I can go in and I can do the reflection across the y-axis. Okay, so if I follow the rule says for the x-axis to do the y-axis, so -x and then +y. So I'm going to do +1 and then 6, and look, it just reflected across the y-axis. Then I'm going to do +5, +3. And look at that point, reflected across that y-axis. Remember, the y-axis is the vertical line. +4, -2, so that's going to be right here. And then +1, +1. And so that's right here. And notice all of these points have been reflected across the y-axis. So I'm going to go do my Polygon Tool again, which is right here. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm just going to click each point. Remember, you have to click. So E, F, G, H, and then close it by clicking on it again. Okay? And there you have it. Here's this shape that has been reflected across the y-axis. So now it's your turn. Keep in mind that the line y = x is going to be a 45-degree line. And so it's going to be this line right here. Okay, let me just get a couple more points on there. It's going to be that line right there. And so wherever your shape is, it's going to reflect on the other side of that line. Okay? All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Do the best that you can.